Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the recordings list now. Make sure the DVR is powered and your remote is paired, and have your account PIN ready. Once done, press the DVR or recordings button to show saved programs. This is faster than navigating nested settings. Make sure to sort by date, title, or size so you can identify large or old files first. You do this to prioritize space recovery and avoid deleting recent purchases, so be deliberate as you scan the list. You now select recordings for removal. Use multi-select or checkboxes to delete batches rather than one at a time, because that saves effort and reduces errors. If you need precision, filter by series, channel, or size to target the largest space hogs first. Be aware of protected flags. If an episode is locked, unlock it with your PIN before attempting deletion. This step prevents partial deletes or confusion and explains why you sorted earlier. It speeds decision-making and reduces accidental loss. You finish by confirming deletion prompts. Select Delete, Remove, or OK depending on your DVR. Do not cancel, or the files remain. Once confirmed, check storage or space used info to verify free space increased and make sure listings update. If they don't, reboot the DVR to refresh the file system. If deletion fails repeatedly, try a hard reboot, clear a small cache if available, or contact your provider. This troubleshooting step fixes permission or indexing issues so future deletes proceed cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.